Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Machine Builder, and today I'll be teaching you how to make your own custom swords and different types of weapons in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. So this includes like battle axes, all the cool stuff you can imagine, and this is a tutorial on how to do all of that. So hopefully it should help you if this is what you've been looking to do. If not, it should still help you anyway. There are a lot of bees. Alright, so first things first, in your behavior pack you're going to want to have an items folder, and then in your resource pack you're going to want a textures folder, and then in textures you have items, which is an empty folder, and you also have item texture, which we'll get into. So first we're going to make the sword item, so I'm going to make a new folder here, new file, sorry, and call it sword.json. Then open it up in a text editor, and now inside this file you're going to want your format version, and format version for weapons and things like this, just custom items should be 1.16.100, because that's all the new components. And then your Minecraft item, again this is just the same as I always do, just to help you and walk you through all the components and everything. I write it all out from scratch, because, well, I can't. This is the identifier of the item, so what you want to call it. I'm just going to call it Machine Builder Sword. This is a namespace followed by a colon followed by the name of the item. And then down here you can put a category, if I can spell, equipment, I'm unable to spell, there we go, equipment, and then in components you have Minecraft max stack size, which is how high the item can stack in one slot. For a sword that would be 1, because you can only have one sword in one slot. Minecraft use duration. This is how long it takes to use the item, like right clicking. I don't know why both of vanilla swords have it set to 3.6k, so I'm gonna just do that. My hand equipped should be true because you hold the sword in your hand, so it's like a bigger item. Things like just random items, like glowstone, gunpowder, they're all small items that you hold in your hand, but swords are always bigger, like weapons and axes and tools. So now we need a Minecraft durability, and max durability should be around, I'm not sure, we'll just go with 1500. I think this is the same as a diamond sword. Diamond sword is 1561, so 1500 should be fine. Minecraft mining speed, set this to 1.5. This is just the same as a diamond sword from memory. I think it's 7 for this sword. I'll just make it like 6, 5. Minecraft Enchantable value n is the same as a diamond sword again. I'll make it more enchantable so you get better enchants. The slot can be like armor torso, armor leggings, armor boots, armor helmet, or something like, maybe it's armor head, armor chest, armor torso, armor legs. I don't really know, there are other slots you can use. But and the value corresponds to how good of enchants you can get. So now Minecraft and destroy in creative. Setting this to false means you can't break blocks with this item in hand, and since it's a sword I want it to not be able to break blocks in creative, because all swords can't break blocks in creative. Probably knew that. Craft bigger, use efficiency, false, because swords don't have efficiency. I don't know if this actually works in game, because custom tools seem to be pretty bugged, but if it's ever fixed, that means this should all work once it gets fixed. Basically it just allows the sword to break webs of bamboo faster than normal, because all vanilla swords do this, they break webs in bamboo. So that should actually be all the things we need for the actual behaviors of our item. Now we can go on to the resource pack definitions, which have been moved to the behavior pack. So I'm going to set this up, Minecraft creative category, and this defines like the subcategory it's in, so like parent, item group name.sword, I think. I'll check that, but that should be correct. If it doesn't work, we'll just adjust it later to find what it actually is. Minecraft icon. This links the texture path, or the actual texture of the item, so I'm going to call this machine builder underscore sword. We'll need this for later. And then Minecraft render offsets. And render offset should be tools. And Minecraft display name. This defines the actual name of the item in game. So the value is going to be machine builder's sword. You can make this whatever you want. Doesn't matter, it's just the name of the item. And then that should actually be the whole item complete. So that's all the code you need. So if we swap over to the resource pack now, items, and then in this item texture folder, file, again, make the same mistake. In texture data, you're going to get the name that you typed in here. That name under the icon, the Minecraft icon here. Going to set that up. We'll link it to textures. And here we're going to set up textures / sword. I'm just going to call this mb underscore sword. So now over here, textures, items, I'm going to open paint, and over here we're going to go file new 16 by 16. That should all be fine. This is my pixel art. I'm not sure how to make it transparent. I'll probably erase it. Lovely. This is not a good way to do things, but anyway. I usually use Paint 3D, but I was worried people would get annoyed with that. Alright, so here we are. Can then draw the shape of the sword. I think a sword does this and goes up and goes out a little more around here, and then it goes 1, 2, 3, and then down out here, round, up, and that should be that part. So that's how a sword works, the silhouette of a sword. And I'm going to make this a yellow sword because I can. Okay, I think this is the sword done. I just realized there's already a gold sword in Minecraft, so that's pretty dumb. So I'll just make this a pink sword. I will increase the saturation a little bit. Alright, that's good enough. That is good enough for my liking. So now I'm going to save it. Okay, so you're going to go into your items folder here to save it, and I'm just going to call this mb underscore sword, because that's what I named it. Just save it. So now, over here, we have mb underscore sword, which is what I saved that as. So here it is. Change the view. There it is, very small picture, but anyway. Item texture, and that should actually be it. So if we go back into the world, okay, so now we're loading back into the world. And if we open up our inventory and go over to the swords tab, you can see we have this new sword, machine builder sword. The name is correct, there's no attack damage underneath it, just because I don't know how to do that, I don't know if it's possible. Okay, this is me from the future, back to return to the code, because I realized there is actually a way to add the attack damage thing in. It's the Minecraft weapon component. And it basically just tells Minecraft that it is a weapon, and that way Minecraft will display the attack damage underneath it. So now if we go back into the world, we should have the attack damage underneath the weapon name. And there we are, this is 5 attack damage, so that is fixed. So that's good. Because now it actually looks like a sword, 5 attack damage. Anyway, that's how you do that then. Well, anyway, so the sword basically all works. There's damage, durability just seems to work. I appear to be in peaceful mode, so I'll kill a sheep. But as you can tell, durability does work, and so does the attack damage. That is about it. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe. And please also share the video, because that helps me out as well. Lets more people find the content, and also lets more people learn more stuff about Bedrock Edition add-ons. So again, thank you for watching. Like, share, and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.